Hi everyone! Today we're moving over to Photoshop. I'm going to create a background like this. Yes, you could call it a grunge and glitch effect. If you want to make a cool looking background like this, you can follow along and use it right away. Okay, first we need to fill the background with black. Go to the Paint Bucket tool, choose black, and click on the artboard. Next, add a new layer. Select the brush tool, right-click, and make sure it's a soft round brush. Then, change the hardness to 100. Pick the color you want, and click on the artboard. You'll get a colored circle. You can change the brush size by pressing the left and right bracket button. Create different sizes and colors. I'll add 2 more colors like this. Go to Filter, Liquify. Use the Forward Warp tool, click and drag as you like. Click OK. Then go back to the Layers panel. Click and hold Layer 1. Then drag it to the plus icon. This will duplicate the layer. Press V and flip. For the blending mode, you can choose anything. Each one gives a different look. I'll choose Darken. Select both layers, right-click, and choose Merge Layers. Then right-click again and select Convert to Smart Object. If your foreground and background colors are something else, press the D key on your keyboard to reset them to black and white. Add a new layer. Go to Filter Render Clouds. Then Filter Blur Motion Blur. Set the angle to horizontal and the distance to 2000. Next, go to Image Adjustments, Threshold, and adjust the value to your liking. Then apply Subtract or Linear Burn on the layer. This will make the threshold layer interact with the colors underneath. You can also squash or distort the shape a bit, like this, to make the cut lines stand out more. It's totally up to you. Add a new layer again. Go to Filter Render Fibers and set Variance and Strength to 15. Now, it depends on which direction you want the grunge texture to go. If you want it horizontal, just rotate it. Do the same thing. Go to Image Adjustments Threshold and adjust the value as you like. Then set the layer's blending mode to Multiply. See that? Okay, now duplicate the layer with the thick black lines. Move the layer so it doesn't overlap the original one. Right-click and convert it to a smart object. Set the blending mode to Divide, then press Ctrl+I. See that? It'll brighten up and turn white. Next, go to Filter Noise, Add Noise. Choose Gaussian and Monochromatic and adjust it until you get a bit of grain. Click on Layer 1, which is this colorful piece. Then click Add Layer Mask. Select the Eraser tool and make sure your foreground color is set to white. Now, start erasing, and you'll see the effect appear just like this. Click on the top layer, then add a new layer. Type your text. Enter any word you like, and choose your favorite font. When you're done, drag the text layer above the colorful layer, and here's the result. If you want to change the color, just click on the context bar. I'm using yellow. Congratulations, you've finished it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.